Guys, listen. I slept only 4 hours last night. Not because of Netflix, not because of heartbreak, but because I spent the whole night researching how to speak English like people in California. And do you know what the internet told me? Only one advice. Dude, just chill. Brother, how can I chill when I'm trying to speak fluent English and my brain is buffering like a slow Wi-Fi?
Exactly. If speaking California English was that easy, we'd all be walking around with surfboards saying dude to everyone. But no, real life doesn't work like that. If I say dude to my dad, he'll say, I am not your college friend. And if I say bro at home, my mom will ask, Kis ka bhai?
But seriously, learning English is like going on a California road trip. First, you hit traffic jam. That's grammar. You sit there confused, frustrated, thinking, why does English have so many rules? Why is the past tense of teach taught? Like, who decided that? Why not teached? At least that makes sense.
And then you finally reach the beach. That's vocabulary. You learn new words like fantastic, amazing, incredible. You feel confident. But the moment someone asks you to make a sentence, your brain becomes a blank white sand beach. Pretty, but empty.
And then comes the scariest part, the super fast California speakers. They talk like this. Hey dude, how's it going? You good? Awesome. Let's grab coffee. Cool. Bro, I'm still trying to understand the first word and they're already finishing the conversation.
Yes, fast English speakers don't talk. They launch words like rockets. By the time I understand sentence number 1, they're already narrating their childhood story.
That's why today we're teaching you real, natural English. The English you can use at school, at work, with friends, with strangers, with your crush, very important, or even with your cat, because cats understand English more than our relatives sometimes.
Star, Part 1, the California English Mindset.
First rule, don't panic. Panic kills English faster than grammar mistakes.
Second rule, keep your sentences short. California people don't give Shakespeare speeches. They speak simple and clear. Hey, what's up? I'm good. What about you? That's cool. Let's go. See? Simple, not complicated like school essays.
And third rule, sound confident even if you have no idea what's happening. Someone asks you a question you don't understand, just say, oh yeah, totally. Works 90% of the time.
Star, Part 2, natural English phrases you must know.
Let's teach you real everyday English, not textbook English like, hello, sir, how do you do? Bro, even the Queen of England doesn't speak like that.
Here are real California-style English phrases. When greeting someone. Hey, what's up? Yo, how's it going? Long time no see. When something is cool. That's awesome. So cool. Love that for you. When you're surprised. No way. Are you serious? You're kidding. When you need time to think. Let me see. Good question. When you don't understand. Sorry, one more time? Could you repeat that? Wait, what?
These phrases make your English sound real, not robotic, not scary, just natural.
Let's talk about mistakes, because everyone makes them. Like, instead of saying, I'm excited, people say, I'm exited. Bro, exited means you left the building, not your emotions.
Or my friend once said, I'm going to the gym to lose my weight. Brother, your weight, not your weight. You can lose weight, but losing weight would be amazing.
And the classic one, he is my relative. People say, he is my relatives. Bro, you're not opening a grocery store. One relative is enough.
Part 4. How to practice English daily.
Let's get practical. Here are real methods to become fluent.
1. Talk to yourself. Yes, you might look crazy, but crazy people become fluent faster. Say things like, I'm making tea. I'm going for a walk. I'm watching a video.
Simple sentences equal big improvement.
2.
Watch English shows with English subtitles. Not Hindi, not Turkish, not Korean, English subtitles. Your brain gets double training.
3. Learn 5 new words daily. Not 50, not 100, just 5. Slow and steady wins the fluency race.
4. Don't fear making mistakes. Even native speakers mess up. I once heard a California guy say, "I goed to the store." Yes, even they mess up.
Let's do a mini practice. You repeat after us.
Ready?
Hey dude, what's up?
Not much, just chillin'. You?
All good. Want to hang out later?
Sounds cool. Let's do it.
See, simple, natural, easy.
Listen, don't compare your English with anyone else's. Everyone starts somewhere.
English is not a talent, it's a skill, like cooking, or driving, or pretending you understood the math teacher. Practice makes you better.
Keep speaking, keep learning, and trust me, one day someone will say, "Wow, your English is so good," and you'll smile like a California sunset.
Thanks for watching.
If you want more fun English lessons, like the video, share it, and
Don't forget to comment, I'm leveling up my English.
see you in the next video, dude.